Hey there and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you what helped me fix my Steam overlay not working while I was playing my video games through Steam. So first things first, make sure you have a Steam account and also have Steam downloaded and installed onto your computer. Then make sure that Steam isn't running at all and go ahead and right-click Steam icon and run it as an administrator. Next, once you've run Steam as an administrator, go ahead and open up the Steam settings by clicking on Steam on the upper left corner, clicking on Settings, and with the Steam Settings open menu, click on In-Game in order to access the overlay options. Then, make sure that you have the Enable Steam Overlay checkbox enabled. Once you have that done, go ahead and restart your Steam. Do note that it would be best to always have Steam run as an administrator so that you have unlocked all of its features no problem. Then, the next thing you want to do is to right-click any of your games and then click on Properties. With the Properties menu open, also make sure to click on Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game and enable that checkbox. And in case that isn't working either, you can also right-click the same game, open up the properties again, and then go to the Installed Files option. From here, you want to click on Verify Integrity of Game Files in order to double-check all of the game files are properly installed and accounted for on your Steam system. It may take some time in order for Steam to verify the integrity of all of your game's files, but once that's done, the file and the games should run properly without any issue. And that's all there is to really checking if Steam Overlay isn't working or enabled on your Steam browser and account. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. We'll see you guys in the next one and more to follow.